Nah, man. Left some in Niah. Alright. Zion, no man said, throw the whole light and broke the buckle. I never want to start the thing, you know, but Mama said start it. We shall have thee. Timoshe Manish. Yeah. See people? I never do want to start it, you know. But the goddess have to start it, so people, when I respond to them right now, you know. I never want to start it. But the queen mothers have to start it, and the boss ladies have to start it, and when the woman them have to start it, people, we have to start it. No, I say queen mother, every woman a queen mother. That's why you look royal mama, man. We shall have here. People, it start, people. It start. It start, people. I no response to them now, people. And now your family, them here, it's not two soldiers, kind of. So the boss showing us again, the people doing things, you know. So I pay development on the people. No look at loose people that they run us. So what the boy them go out with people and loose movements them go out with people. Loose thing the people them go out with people. See it? I pay a big house and everything. So no matter beliefs and normal things, see the people, richness. Everybody around us develop people. See it? Everybody develop people. No loose thing no there the people them give. So them look at dirty football and come and make the people place look like a careless place. See it, people? Every year they develop people. See it? Big Lion Pan Gate, Zion Yard people. See it, people? Nothing but progressiveness and prosperity in the community people. So when them boy come people, so that's why I come around here people for make you see say, Niah no there no ghetto, Boogie Yaga place people, big up every ghetto. But round here is that a ghetto people.